Chief Minister opens Golden Jubilee celebration of Koireng Youth Organization, praises Koireng people for preserving their age-old tradition. Violence marks 13-hour Quaramban Band. 2 persons, including a women constable, hurt as Band supporters clashed with police near Kasturi Bridge. And MLA Joy Kishan insists Tangal Bazaar is not the right site for temporary market, urges government to construct temporary shade at an appropriate place. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I'm Butchie Malamam with the top stories. Chief Minister Okrum Ibobi today lauded the Koireng people for preserving their age-old culture and tradition. The Chief Minister today inaugurated the Golden Jubilee celebration of Koireng Youth Organization and 46th General Conference in Longa Koireng Kul in Senapati district. Ibobi emphasized the need for peaceful coexistence among the various tribes living in Manipur. He said Imphal Sangaitel Road leading to Longa Koireng Kul will be constructed soon. The Chief Minister also assured the villagers that a primary health center will soon be constructed in the village. IFCD Minister Ngamthang Haokip also took part in the Golden Jubilee celebration. He stressed the need to protect the minority community by the majority community. He also urged the people to preserve and protect their culture and identity. The Golden Jubilee souvenir was also released. Ngairong Youth Club, Utang Lok Youth Club and Sadhu Koireng Youth Club performed traditional dances highlighting the celebration.
Laiminariba koi pomna maksingse yamna nungsinana sana sinana koi amatani haibagi wakanse kauroi si haidana ai mayam punamaki mafamda ai thamjaningbani aduga Imphal Sangaithen Road sarai dagino hayo pasoi lamkhai dagina siru lamkhai bhawba sida Koireng bhawba laiba lambisi yamna maru oina lambise koi सरकार की तरफ तकी ये कोई समझनब तौजगे हाइबसे आई मयाम पुनमकी बखंगा आई थमजरी अदुगा प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर होइना सब सेंटर नतबा डॉक्टर पोस्टिंग तौबा याबा हेल्थ सेंटर मा कोई सिदैदा लिंखननब तौजगे हाइदना आई मयाम पुनमकी बखंगा आई.
Violence broke out during the 13-hour Quaramban Band called by Thangweban Kendra Development Organization Tagdo today. A large number of Tagdo volunteers supporting the Band clashed with police personnel near the Kasturi Bridge. 2 persons, including a women constable, were injured in the clash. The injured persons have been identified as Ayui Hungyu, aged 29, son of Mayor Chune Hungyu from Khwayatong ABC Godown, and constable of 9 IRB Mahila Battalion Mashnam Aruna from Langmaidong Bazaar. Ayui Hungyu was hit by a tear gas shell on his left knee. He has been rushed to RIMS, while Constable Mashnam Aruna was hit by a stone pelted by Band supporters. She has been rushed to the Raj Medicity. Several Tagdo volunteers blocked all the roads in Thangweban, forcing all the shops and business establishments to remain shut. Tagdo volunteers coming from Kasturi Bridge marched towards Thangal Bazaar, but police personnel who were on duty stopped them. The Band supporters pelted stones at the police personnel. In retaliation, police fired tear gas shells to control the protesters. On the other hand, Thangweban MLA KS Joy Kishan rushed to RIMS to see the condition of injured Ayui Hungyu. It may be recalled that yesterday, Tagdo had announced for a 13-hour band today after talks with government failed over the construction of temporary market shade. Yesterday, Chief Minister had said the construction of market shade will continue. The band started from 5 in the morning today and it ended at 6 in the evening. Two boys from Manipur, Maurice Yengkhom, 14-year son of Yengkhom Junu of Yai School, and Chongtham Kuber Meitei, 12-year son of Chongtham Tombo Meitei of Terala Krakpam Lekai, are among 25 children selected for the National Bravery Awards 2015. The children will receive the award from Prime Minister Narendra Modi on January 24 and later will participate in Republic Day Parade at Rajpath, New Delhi on January 26. Maurice Yengkhom saved his cousin who had been struck by an electric current on March 8, 2015, while Kuber saved a 12-year-old girl from a drowning on March 8, 2015. Yanglam Block Congress Committee organized one-day political conference on January 17 at the residence of Chingtham Keso Singh at Thaunawjam. The conference resolved to strengthen the Congress party and work for the party's success in 2017 assembly elections. Speaker T.S. Lokeswar this morning inspected the progress of ongoing projects and upcoming projects in different areas in Kundrakpum constituency. He also visited houses, waiting sheds, schools and other structures affected by the January 4 quake. The Speaker oversaw the progress of Dolai Thabi barrage and later instructed engineers to be extra careful in the work to avoid any kind of flows. Mention may be made that government has targeted to open Dolai Thabi barrage in March this year. A team led by Chairperson of Manipur Commission Protection for Child Right S. Shanti Kumar and convener of Manipur Alliance for Child Right Montu Ahantem visited Senapati district to take stock of the earthquake-affected Kharam Palel Khun. There are about 100 households in the village and one UJB school in the village has been badly damaged by the quake. S. Shanti Kumar assured the villagers that he would urge the Education Department to repair the school as soon as possible and the Social Welfare Department to construct an Anganwadi center in the area. However, MLA K.S. Joykisan once again reiterated that construction of temporary market shade along Thangal Bazar Road is not the right step and urged the government to stop meeting demands until bloodsheds or clashes occurred. Speaking to media at his residence, Joykisan said after the January 4 earthquake, Imphal Municipal Corporation Executive Officer N.G. Uttam on January 7 issued an order to construct temporary market shade at Kwaramban Kaithel temporary market shade and instructed the Public Works Department to execute the work from January 8. However, the construction started at Thangal Bazar. MLA Joykisan added that objection to the construction of temporary market shade at Thangal Bazar is not just for the people of Thangwaiban but for the whole Manipur. Asking the government not to befool people in the name of empathizing with women vendors, Joykisan said he is ready to extend all possible help if the market is constructed at some other convenient place.
Force Mamam Tazalaga, Laiba Kudimang Nomena Kapsalaga Sagan Habibudo, Madu Aran Babakalni, Madu Tuna Taduk Brazagi Ikenke Ataraga, Katian Pambi Ima Ibena Karidano Harau Dorisi, Aduna Miamna Munna Kantabiraga. Akhoi lauriba ihose Manipur Pazagini si khangbiu temporary market su athu matamda sanbiduna imaipel ge awabas honbiu mafam chaba miyamna suwaroi daba hena phaba aduga government lepkhiba jaga atuda adum sabiu ai isamak morally physically adum help tawjake.
On the other hand, Tagdo President Soram Bijoy appeals to the people not to misunderstand the protest against the construction of temporary market shade at Thangal Bazar as only for Thangwaiban. He said closure of Thangal Bazar Road will cause grave inconveniences to all the people of the state. Bijoy also drew the attention of civil society organizations and student bodies to consider the issue.
Imaiben market singsigi hena phajaba mafam mama sinbi na ba akoi mayam Manipur da leiriba civil organization Singnasu Masi Kongtang Sanghaningi, Ming Sanghaningi, Adugaloino Luna Sarganasu, Atumatamda, Huzik Sabasangan, which is Lepiraga, Imaibian Gehena Kudong Chananaba, Atopa Mapamamada, Sanaba, Madugi Atuvada, Warib Lobi Haina, Sargada, Hajiri.
Former Director General of Police Yumnam Joy Kumar today stated that temporary market shade being constructed along the Thangal Bazar Road for quake-affected women vendors is not a wise step. Speaking to media at his residence, Joy Kumar said the new plan will be a huge problem for the state police in the incidents of fire, bomb blast or any form of emergency. He pointed out that there had been instances of human casualties due to overcrowding when such incidents occurred in Kwaramban Bazar. Lack of access by fire tender may trigger fatal consequences in case of fire in the market. Maintaining that blocking the Thangal Road can also add more confusion in the present traffic system, the former DGP urged the government to reconsider its stand and act accordingly to bring an amicable solution to the impasse.
Hariba said Assis Harakandida, police ki Maikidigi, Kari problem Tolkadige, Hibisigi Matangani. Mayam the Kambir Dungai, market shada, Mamangida, no makeup naba, bomb Bukaiba, Tunesingba, Mayam Tokre. Masi, me am the Tilaga, Mafam the Toku Targadi, Missy Mina, Hengalakani, Adu the Sunatana, Masi Sagi Matamda, traffic problem too, as a woman talk Werkani. दुकान मई चकले अदुदी कमाई तौर फैट इन चंगा मधु कंदोरी चंग भी अभी फिल्म सुले पॉसिबिलिटी लेते असी सागी तागदी अदुदी कई थोकनी क्रिकेट इन मफम से तुमना बाजार से तुमना होल ऑफ कनो से तुमसे खाम बाजार से मई चकपदा कनमंगम जन तोखिबगी फिल्म अदुमाई तोंग लेगन.
Women vendors of Quarambun Kaithel temporary market have insisted the construction of a temporary market in the middle of the road is not the right step. Speaking at a press meet at Quarambun Kaithel temporary market, they said they will support the Tagdo in its steer against the construction of a temporary market in Thangal Bazar. Secretary of the temporary market, Nong Thongbam Ibemhal, said they share the grievances of the women vendors affected by the earthquake, but the decision of the government to construct the temporary market in Thangal Bazar is wrong. She appealed the government to build the temporary shades at an appropriate site and not to be influenced by a handful of people.
Lambi mamang dabu khadin sabajibu isajing hakte unarabane sibo adu hata inong nong dawri kanagi busino thogjin no bamdo akwen hangningi minister habi wani masiki thoji yadi minister wara su mayam gi tawbi hargadi ahang ba yam leina assembly leijibu official khar famagi damgi thambiraga khadin sabano moi kirisi karino lambi ma khadin saba yaraga braja jibu moina lori koi tingjalaga moi hakte gi boi braiba asibu ma akwen thugai bro BJP
Imphal West District Committee demand the resignation of Industries Minister Govind Das. The committee states a sit-in at Narimthom Laishram Lairak DC Road. The protesters also condemned the action of Bishnupur Police Station.
Imphal West District की BJP की कर्मी सिंगना असुब वाखन में फमजबनी मिबे के हक खोंगाव ना बदा ले पले तना सथल लेबा कांग्रेस पार्टी बो कांग्रेस की मिनिस्टर बो BJP की मार्केट की कंडेम तवी.
Sky Hospital has performed open heart surgery on 2 young boys and 1 girl. Executive Director of Escort Fortis Heart Institute, New Delhi, Dr. Krishna Iyer, and Sky Hospital and Research Center jointly conducted the operation on 5-year-old boy from Charangpat in Thoubal district and 7-year-old boy from Ukhrul district. The 11-year-old girl is from Churachandpur. Managing Director of Sky Hospital and Research Center, Dr. Sham Kishore, today told media that young children with heart problems can now be treated at Sky Hospital, as renowned Dr. Krishna Iyer is treating heart patients at the hospital.
Sky Hospital na taubiba haibadusu akoina dum tawiri aduna madugi da khanagumsi koi mateng help tawna si aduga Sky Hospital dagi di angamba koina patient ngai singai puthoge aduga akhoi ngai singai koina Sky Hospital na singai puthoge haibadudi adudi akhoigi jini naw masen ngakta da mateng pangna bani na koi duma adum tawre.
Manipur Electricity Employees Union (MEO) today ceased work for a day and staged sit-in demanding regularization of work charts and master roll employees. The sit-in was staged at Kesampat Electricity Complex by the members of MEO. The protesters are demanding that until their demands are met, Manipur State Power Company Limited (MSPCL) and Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited (MSPDCL) cannot appoint new employees. Speaking to media persons, MEO President Yumnam Rana Pratap said Chief Minister, who is also the chairman of the corporation, gave assurance to MEO on March 2, 2014 that work charts and muster roll employees will be regularized, but they are yet to be regularized. Rana Pratap said they have written many times to the Commissioner and Corporation MD regarding the matter.
Dharna si akoi piba yaba memorandum machine na bigre ane honorable sem da koi pibam to trade union act ta akoi ge before the 15 days ge het akoi da madu information without any information pi draga di akoi ge punishable oiba aduna akoi madu matam chana kana gumba karmachari ama victim moidana baina akoi ge union si yawi ba kuding mo victim moidana baina keno ge ma keno chaliba January gi tang tariata akoi honorable sem da koi memorandum pijare.
Manipur People's Party has greeted the people on the occasion of Ima Imoino Irat Thoram, which falls on January 21, and Gangai, the biggest festival of Kabui people, which falls on January 22. In a press release, the party wished for the progress of the state. Konsam Irabantad, accused in the murder of Konsam Thawai Lemba of Kurai Thangzam Lekai, Chungambam Lairak, was today produced before the district and sessions judge and Uripok Charap Court. He has been remanded to judicial custody for 15 days. A large number of women from Chingangom Lairak tried to storm the court demanding punishment for the accused. Wife of the deceased, Konsam Thawai Lemba, K. Bijenti, alleged that the son of Konsam Irabanta was involved in the murder and said he should also be arrested.
Magi aigi janu bisina mi hale la ko da mana mapa du jingthoki bana hale thang salaga adu ma hana urang gane adu ma ju ko thi thi phabi osini ijanu pana ma si mapa ji thang soi habdi gi saw da nung ji thom ba ji da ne mana mu bona kai no haire ba mapa si kaning dana maza khange ba yawe haiba se maza yawe haiba se khange haiba maza nu bi si attack tawdi tawdi maza nu pana ma khwang ba jingthoki ba ma je adu ga raspuni nikda aina phiring phiring jong dana mayam aigi pasen da kambiu hai ga mana ai khong ko khoiram le me ba maza nu pasina kadar tawri ba.
Public Health Engineering Department today conducted a drive against consumers who have not paid water tax. A team led by Executive Engineer Maintenance 1 L00 Singh carried out the drive at Kaishampat Junction and Kaishampat Aibam Laikai to identify the defaulters. The drive is being carried out in other parts of Imphal. Executive Engineer L00 ordered immediate disconnection of several households which have not paid taxes for many years. Some families owed the department more than Rs 20,000 tax. 00 Singh said the PHED is not giving water to the consumers free of cost and appealed to them to pay tax on time.
Public awareness ama pina base akoi hone jabane chathar kaliba unauthorized si masi akoi na disconnect taujagani karigumba matung da amuk toram labadi khoi Manipur Water Supply Act ki matung inna akoi ge legal mating loraga asmai taudana police ki kari ki security ki mating loraga koi phana bo hone jagani consumer sing sina regular consumer sing su khazna su matam chana chana thibi duna PhD bu mating pangbiu mayam gi ising chang nai na pi na hona bata akoi su angam bathak to hona jagi.
One-day sensitization workshop on disability issue for media persons was held at Classic Hotel today. The workshop was organized by National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities, Chennai and Spastic Society of Manipur. Speaking at the function, Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thokchom Maine said media persons play a vital role in providing awareness among the people about the benefits of various schemes of the centre. Maine said there will be no lack of funds for the differently abled persons. He said the good proposals from the NGOs will be converted into work. Addressing the gathering, Department of Social Welfare Director I. Nabakishore gave the detailed accounts of various schemes and projects of the Centre for the welfare of the differently abled persons. He appealed to the public to avail the benefits of the government schemes.
So please don't take it otherwise when we treat persons of differently able persons or differently able or disability, whatever you call it, we are all human beings, we have got our own weakness. So sometimes we take pride of what we have done. And we are very, what is called ego-centric. And these things, please don't take it otherwise, because we are all human beings. God has made men and women. There is only two races, I believe. So we have to work very, what is called, in a very congenial atmosphere.
T. Seboy Haokip, Secretary General of Indo-Myanmar Friendship Chamber of Commerce IMFCC, Moreh today extended gratitude to the government for building multi-storied market in Moreh. He said IMFCC Moreh wants government to allot 50% of the market space to local traders and members of IMFCC. Regarding the matter, IMFCC Moreh had submitted a memorandum to Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam, Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthausam and Tengnoupal MLA D. Korungtang during the inauguration of the market complex. Seboy Haokip said they will wait for a month for government's response, and in case they do not get any response, they will launch a series of agitation.
Multi-storage market complex Saba Loinana Southat Nangai Lambida Equigi Lambi Simbasi Hanna Nungai the Bak IMFCC na memorandum Piba Matungina Kegumba Government of Manipur na Atubada si positive response P the Batadi si market se Hinjinba Atimba Hamgani Ainasu in a
A one-day seminar on history of Langol was held today at the auditorium of Caesar Hospital and Research Institute, Langol. The seminar was organized by Tourism Development Society, Langol, with an aim to promote Langol as a tourist spot. Several spokespersons spoke on the physical features of Langol Ching, Lampilpat and its past and early settlers of Langol. Speaking to media persons, chairman of a Tourist Development Society, Moirangthem Tombi, said they are focusing on the promotion of Langol as a tourist spot as various ethnic communities are living at the foothills. The aim is to bring green revolution and economic development in the area.
Center dagi lakpa ate top country dagi lakpa foreigners sing India gi tourists sing mayam sing attractive poina ba akoina swai gi mayam sing si sithab leitana club sangstan aduga leiriba khoi gi lonaribu khul mayam sing ama toina punsan najare arga adumaina akoina ngasi gi akoi gi thim ase akoi history of Langon sida kari kari lerami haibado madugi kainodu da ngasi pangthok.
Cultural Forum Manipur today presented school bags and stationery items to the children of Children Home at Sagolban Mainolairak and Terakaitel. President of Cultural Forum Manipur and Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Naurem Khagendra, said it was a part of the forum's program to help the needy.
Koina awara tawa singda koina angam phiruang kharsi koina pasa khajalaga hajanaraga haiba tawi mingson laiseron haidana khoi gi keno makak live member ni keno tagi agwai gi ukrul legi ni khoi gi maitei nu pam la ongbani elang la kaida mana khara angang sing da katche haiba phare na koina forum gi keno tagi tarap tagi masi tuhol laga masi katchabani.
Manipur Sahitya Pracharak Sabha MSPS Wangjing has invited books on folklore written in Manipuri for the biennial Soibam Kumar Ningsing Sahitya Mana 2016. In a press release, Manipur Sahitya Pracharak Sabha Wangjing Secretary T.H. Bishwamitra said the books published between 2011 and 2015 can apply for the award. That's all we have for the time being, but before we end the headlines once again. Chief Minister opens Golden Jubilee celebration of Quering Youth Organization, praises Quering people for preserving their age-old tradition. Violence marks certain Querenban Band. 2 persons, including a women constable, hurt as Band supporters clashed with police near Kasturi Bridge. And MLA Joykisan insists Tangal Bazaar is not the right site for temporary market, urges government to construct temporary shades at an appropriate place.